Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your language on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then next we're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. As you can see, there is the language section. We're going to click on it. So these are the supported languages in Temu account. You guys could click on any language you want and it's going to change it. For example, I changed it to French. So as you can see, this is the French language. Then you guys could go back and change it back again. So it's an easy step, as you can see. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. You guys could find this app in the App Store or Play Store as I've been telling you. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.